Hello guys, welcome to the next video tutorial on Java programming for beginners. In the last video we have seen how to use math operators in Java and how to do simple arithmetic operations in Java. Now in this video we will learn about increment operators and we will learn about what is post increment and pre-increment operations, and we will also learn about assignment operators and how to use this assignment operator effectively. So for example, I have a variable x for now which is equal to 10. Okay, now I want to increment the value of x by 1. The simplest way of doing this is x is equal to x plus 1, and this will increment the value of x by 1, right? So let's compile the program and run the program once again, and the value of x is incremented by 1, which is, and the answer is 11 here, right? Now there is other ways of doing this, and the other way of doing this is just like this. So you can do x and then two plus signs, and this will increment the value of x by 1. So let's try to run the program, and in answer you can see that the answer is still 11. So this operation, when you add two plus symbols before your variable, it will increment the value of the variable by 1. But there is something called pre-increment operators, which is which I'm going to show you. This kind of incrementation of the variable is called post-increment operation. So for example, when I do something like this, when I just want to print x plus plus in print line, see what's the answer. The answer is 10. This is because in the post increment operation, once the value of x will be changed only after this plus plus operation. Okay, so this plus plus operation will increment the value of x in the next usage of x. Okay, so for example, I just print the value of x here. The value of x will be incremented by 1 now. Okay, so the first value of 10 is 10, which is same as the value, but we have added to this plus two plus symbols here, then the value will be shown here. So this is called the post increment operation, right, in which the value of x will be increment in the after you perform this plus plus operation, right? But there is something called pre-incrementation, and this you can do it like this: plus plus x. And what this will do is it will increase the value of x by 1 first. So in this operation itself, it will increase the value of x, and this will just show the same result. So let's compile the program, and this time we get 11, which is true because this is called the pre-increment operator. So first it will increment your value and then give the result. And this kind of operation where we have written x plus plus, this will first print your value and then increment your value after plus plus operation. Okay, so this is called pre-incrementation and this is called post increment operation. Okay, now for example, I want to do something like this. So I want to add 5 to this value, right? So you can do it: x is equal to x plus 5, but this is kind of lengthy, right? Because you need to write x is equal to, and you need to use x 2 times. And there is a simple way of doing this by just writing x. So just writing x plus is equal to 5. Okay, and what this operation does is basically the same operation what this operation do. X is equal to x plus 5. Okay, and let's see the answer. So the answer is 15, right? But the short form of this operation, you can do it like this. Okay, in a similar way, if you want to multiply 5 into this value, you just need to do x asterisk, which is a multiplication operator, and this is basically equal to this operation, right? So run the program and it's 50 as an answer. So equal to in Java is called assignment operator, and we have simplified the process of assignment operation by optimizing our code. Okay, so in a similar way, whenever you want to divide 10 by 5, you can do it like this, and the answer is 2, which is true, and this is simply means this operation. And if you want to subtract these values, you just do minus equals, and this will perform simply the subtraction. Okay, so in this way you can use increment operation in Java, and you can effectively use assignment operation in Java. So I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please rate, comment and subscribe, and bye for now.